everybody, Mike from Just Watch, back again with a new video. I know it's been a while. I hope you guys are well. Today we are doing an unboxing. This is a surprise to me. It won't be to you because of course the watch title will be in the title of this episode, but I don't actually know what is inside of this FedEx package. I asked Mrs. Just Watch to go online and to pick out a digital watch for me, and just kind of gave her some guidelines as to what I was looking for, something rugged, something waterproof, something with a light. Not much beyond that. So let's open this package up, find out what's inside, and see how she did. Gerber Applegate knife. Can't get a better knife than these. All right. What do we have here? We have a white box and a lot of bubble wrap so far. Let's see what's inside of this bad boy. Aha! I was right. She did pick out a G-Shock. That's awesome. Paperwork, who cares? Let's look at the watch. So we have basic Casio G-Shock box. Nice silver label, white outer box. Let's see what's inside this bad boy. Like I said, I don't know. That's kind of a cool way of doing it. I don't know what she was buying here. So more paperwork, little foam, and oh, cool. That's really cool. Actually, I like the color too. So a little paperwork there. 5611JA. I don't know what that means. A little bit of that. And what do we have here? This is a really cool size. You guys might remember, if you've been around the channel for a while, that about 3 years ago, I did a review on a rather large, I think it was a full-size Casio. This one is definitely a lot smaller in proportion. I think this is the one that's called the Casio. If you guys want to comment on this, honestly, I've not done a lot of studying on a G-Shock since I did that review 3 years ago. It's always kind of been out of my lane, but I really like how this watch looks, actually. Which one is it? 5611. So this tag says GMA S2100 7AJF. It's 20 bar, water resistant, has an LED light, has a timing feature with split laps, 24-hour clock. Looks like it has all 12 or 24 hours, perpetual calendar. It's amazing what these watches can do, and really cool. I like this hand. I like the dial on the face. I like the way they laid it out. You have the day of the week over there at 9 o'clock, and then this little window down here between 3 and 6 with some other info, and then water resistant G-Shock Casio. I'm gonna give this a quick try on. I don't want to do a full review on this one. I'll come back with a full review later. Give you guys a wrist check too. I am continue to wear and love this Steinhardt 39mm Ocean Explorer. Such a great watch for the money. You really can't beat this watch for under 500 bucks. The build quality and just how easy it is to wear. So I can try this bad boy on. And there it is. So that is, I believe the case size on this, I think they're around 42. I have to go in and look it up. I remember looking that the big ones are like 45, something like that, and the smaller ones are 42. And it actually has a pretty nice low profile there. You can see it sits pretty low on the wrist. It doesn't stick up super huge. And my wrist size is 170 millimeters. Just under 7 inches for you people that don't do metric. It's really cool. Actually, I really like how this looks on the wrist. I really like the style of it. I need to set the clock, so I need to read direction to go in and set it up. But like I said, I'll come back at you soon, and I promise it won't be 3 months from now, with a full review, a little rock climbing injury from the weekend. really cool. Be interesting to see how this holds up to the elements as far as, you know, dirt and grit and all that too, with it being all white with those little cases. But it's very light on the wrist, very comfortable, and a great size on my 170 millimeter wrist. All right, everybody, that is it for this unboxing on the Casio, what is it, GA 2100, something like that. Yeah, GMA S2100 Casio watch. Nice job. This is just watch. All right, everybody, back soon. Thanks.